because Parara too do for this one way do. So if I just dey do video, me I know they get problem with them. Sometimes I even dey take some reports from my own reports based on the way they laugh. But this one way do so, somebody still dey pain. You go dey reveal one person wey they don't cash, only one way they don't cash you reveal and comment. E not fair like that, my brothers and sisters. Now the rest people don't run. Now make police now they look for Parara. I beg anybody wey know where Parara dey, I beg mona go tell police. Police said in fact person wey see her say they go give her a huge amount. I know if you talk the money too big. So more watch them together. Mona see Oze. Hi guys, welcome back to Sophie Universe, wherever you're watching me from around the world. I pray may the good spirit bless and strengthen you. May he or she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my point of view. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion, hot topic to share with you, my amazing brothers and sisters. So my wonderful, beautiful, amazing subscribers that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May he or she guide your going out and your coming in as usual. Your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to share with you now the matter when I come across for social media. I don't feel keep on to myself. I say, what to do? My share with you. I'm gonna still know what they solve for social media space. So I believe all of you will know this our brother Parara abi Parara. It no matter. All of you know abi. Now it matter just share. So I tell you Nigeria police right now they look for an be small wahala because of one of the recent video we do about our sister Tiwa Savage based on what happened to her. Not be small matter. As I hear for information based on reliable source, say that they find Parara. Mona let me call her Parara. Una know why they talk about. The blessing of Parara. I know if pronounce ram ra Parara. Now that one I dey quick me. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by myself. From a reliable source, now I hear the matter saying Nigeria police they find her and they even place ransom on top her. Now I say, what did they make the find her? Now make me go look the video where this man do, where Parara do, where make Nigeria police they look for her. Now even DSS now they look for this guy. So now be saying local police they look for her. DSS they be like FBI. Now they look for her. So now they come send me the video. As I watch the video where you do, now I say, it's not the first time why I will join Nigeria police look for somebody. It's just good. May they find Parara. You know, sometimes if person still do something not good again, and it's still good, may they use big fish to show example, so that make all these new bloggers, new reporters, may they for know where they will put their leg. I know so many people will vex for me for this video. I want to do so, but if you not still vex, you know, still try to understand where from they come. Mona make sure so now watch this video finish. Then I can see whether or not will join Nigeria police to find Parara. May they, in fact, may they jail him. Like you know, be say may they put him in prison or jailing 9 years fit him. Wetin he do? Una no will believe. Say Nigeria police suffering on their own. They do their investigation to unfold who released Tiwa Savage Almighty S video. So information can't reach Parara, say they don't see one of the person wey do the thing, and police dey work on the case. Normally as they work on the case, they don't need to reveal or show the person where they don't catch, so that make other people not for run. I don't understand. So as information just reach Parara hand, now so Parara tell entire line, come break the ceiling, come break the table, in fact remove the 4 leg, come announce to the world say Nigeria police don't catch the person wey leak the video. I can't say no, Parara not do this thing well. They need to use Parara to make example, so that another person no will try this nonsense wey Parara do so. Because Parara, in fact, if una look this video finish, what he do, we no matter about to UK. No matter about UK, mo na know your verse. My translation, I be translator. No one follow me. Come on, find. Mo na draw a door beneath person near body. Make translator for na wella. Now that one I go good pass all this translator self. Now I go just pure pass. Una no understand. For na to understand what I try to talk before na start to the verse for me. Mo gotta watch the video of Parara. Mo na by myself see what Parara do. Now come join me, join Nigeria police, condemn this acts wey Parara do, because Parara too do for this one wey do. So if I just dey do video, me I know they get problem with them. Sometimes I dey even take some reports from my own reports based on the way they laugh. But this one wey do so, somebody still dey pain. You go dey reveal one person wey they don't catch, only one way they don't catch, you reveal and come out. E not fair like that, my brothers and sisters. Now, the rest people don't run. Now make police now they look for Parara. I beg anybody wey know where Parara dey. I beg mona go tell police. Police said, in fact, person wey see her said they go give her a huge amount. I know if you talk the money too big. So more watch them together. Mona see Oze wey Parara do for this matter where yours the ground. So Mona by myself see judge whether it good or not good. Mona not forget to drop on a comment. Oh, that one just the important to me personally. When I don't understand, let's go there.
The person will release the sex tape of our sister Tiwa Savage, police don't cramp her.
Can you imagine?
The guy if he say go feature disgrace our beautiful damn side, then you think you can go scot-free or Scotland or anyone. No, police cramper. Those of now we don't understand what they happen. Our sister will sing, somebody's son go take me one day, go love me one day. Somebody's son disgrace her. That was how many days ago.
It is a funny.
For the past how many weeks and I've come as I say, oh boy. Ni video you bon okay shake internet na go have blackmail on you. We had the bon on you understand? We bon on people way. You understand? I mean, so you understand. People go they say, why Tiwa Savage go talk like that? We not really know say the thing are truth. We just there for Monday night stroke on Tuesday. Maybe internet I go my tweet it chat. I go my
this boy no way.
I said, oh, naked Morena. I go Facebook, they do, oh, they shot at Tiwa. Oh, you have one hanging on it. Tiwa said, I don't say they like quickly. Oh, yeah, I mean, organized. I mean, only more know this last time. Oh, yeah, I'm penny. He pounding. It go and the video you nothing know. You nothing know. The whole you, where everybody they look up to. Nana, you don't disgrace we your fans and your picking.
Shut up.
But that's like the goal that the person will release the something. They don't cash out. Those of
not be that side you they go. You don't go come back. They say not be that side you they go. This video wait. In fact, Mona continue. Mona see. Wait, no, my rest. Continue.
Now wait, the other they want use people, you understand? They blackmail people, and some of them they say, oh, your own for your boyfriend hand or your own for your girlfriend hand.
Confirm.
You understand what I mean? They catch the guy. And may God bless all these Nigeria police will catch her. Because not every time I would insult to now.
He come by they say may God bless Nigeria police. It is say if he can't talk that one, they not go apprehend them. If he say if he can't talk that one, be say he can't talk good. When una don't ever hear say Parara they praise Nigeria police. For una to tell no say you know say what he want do so na very bad and dangerous thing. Now he want do so. He still go ahead, go leak the leaking. No, they go.
Una do well. As the thing show, even the IGP was so paranoid. The IGP watch this thing, so walk. The IGP anyone come. I say no, make it seize itself. Because anytime when you watch this something, if our area now, soap don't finish cake. So that now, they use clean soap. Like put it everywhere. They silent like our area when they busy before. It was savage in video camera always soapy. No na stop. As I catch the person, they come and say, oh, he not go try me again. Make we forgive. We say no. You know, you trust Nigerian police. I can't deck him now. That deck anyhow. And those of you know when they do this thing, I need to stop with this example, and I need to disgrace this person. The way
can you imagine?
Disgrace
I want to show the
it's
picture.
Not good. Those of you never watch how they take catch the person and wait till they confess. Oh yeah.
Oh, now here now for break all the table. Now here for fuck up this place where you want to so over fuck up the worry this guy over fuck up. As people they pity for Tiwa Savage rich, this guy get mad because of you, You don't famous, but you decide to cause people pain like this, eh? Why? This thing, it pain me reach my bone. I don't believe say parade of all people will fit do this kind of thing. I think say you they stand for women. I think say you they stand against bad things. I think say they support good things. More see the picture. Na so you dey regard.
I love Tiwa Savage so much, and everyone around me, they can testify about that. I'm sorry, Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage, I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have washed your face.
This boy nowhere. So now go join me. Una go join me and Nigerian police right now. Arrest this boy. I open my eye. My foot come comfortable as I see the headline. Say they don't cash you release. The sex tape. I say, hey, thank God. God go bless Nigeria police. I don't know, so that this nonsense. My parada waste my time put. Atuna will join me now. No, when I go understand why I don't say this boy fuck up. Atuna don't understand where from the come. The fuck up where fuck up when I don't see her. May continue. I need to listen to that girl again. I shouldn't have watched your sex tape. Who can send this girl now? Who send a message? You watch and finish, you don't feel sit down for your ass. Who call you for social media? You for go church, go confess. To na pastor. I beg, sing for us again.
Tiwa Savage says this. I love Tiwa Savage so much, and everyone around me watched the Tiwa
Savage. It's not good. Those of you never watch how they take catch the person and wait till they confess. Oh yeah.
watched the Tiwa Savage says this. I love Tiwa Savage so much, and everyone around me, they can testify about that. I'm sorry, Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage, I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have washed your face. God does not.
Well, I'm not sure that.
Shenge.
Put this girl. No, another verse for me.
Why we no verse for you?
This girl,
You know where they need to arrest this boy.
I released it.
Your head no correct.
God. Who they say go to kill Nigerian people because it's like this country, they smoke or they drink. What should be? He say, even release track for another person's safety. This guy you get. Now you must do this. This guy is a suspect. You understand what I mean? And those of them they wait for who want. I don't want a cashy person. Everything on the woman must upload aproko. Come on, I go wash plate. And when I stop to they do soapy with the video, it's not good. You understand? Thank God I never wash and my pastor and I tell me say no wash and I couldn't put the story for me. I say, Pastor, and you they fast. He say, what if you pay and the 10 seconds, so say some people even get 20 seconds. What have you find out?
This boy nowhere. Muna kashan. Muna karango sakashi. If una know say una still fall for the trap when you're set, so ask me for put. Muna leave am for comment section. I dey interested. I need to know how many people consider wait to see the evil doer wey release that tape to the world. I really dey interested. Muna beg, muna not beat me join parara beg. I just say. More can laugh one together. If I talk say na the one una don fair watch, una no go watch, una go pass. So this one are the hot report, the hot topic when I get. Why I quickly can share with una. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you not take am personal. Not be everything that they take personal. Just still laugh. It not make you laugh. Must you vex? Please, if you've not subscribed, guys, subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my amazing brothers and sisters. Like you already know, guys, I'm not on my camera to provoke anybody. I'm not on my camera to bring out the beast in anybody. I only just try. I just try to represent the change what I truly and really want. I just try to be the change what I want to see around me, what I want to see for my beautiful, gallant Duchess State Edo and my great beloved country, Nigeria. But if by any means, any shape, any form, any way at all, any of my video or audio offend you personally, please find a place in your heart to forgive me for love's sake, for peace sake, because I know they on this camera to provoke you or offend you of all people. Absolutely no. That's not my intention. That's not my calling. That will not be so few. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us. Protect our going out and our coming in. Give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other. Give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge, and every other bad stuff. Till I come your way next time. This Sophie Universe, the massive truths. Don't forget to be the change you want, my brother, and let me be the change I want. Don't forget to be the change you want, my beautiful sister, and let me be the change I want. You are the change we are looking for in Africa. I am the change we are looking for in Nigeria. Together, when we all change, they do better things, come out our hand from bad things, see truth, they talk calm, stop the hypocrisy. Just try to be the best version of yourself. Believe me, you, our papa and our mama land will be one of the greatest and sweetest in the world. You will enjoy them, me will enjoy them, our children will enjoy them, our children will still enjoy them. Not be saying a lie. Don't forget to share my video, guys. Don't forget to patronize me, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. To the next video. One love.